not gonna cry, honest. Hi guys, my name's Saffy Sprocket and welcome back to another episode of Saffy Sprocket. This week I'm at Hard Knott Pass in the Lake District and it's considered to be one of the most notorious roads in England. So let's find out if it lives up to its reputation. So before we jump into the video, a few of you have commented about my screen vanishing between the Northumberland and the Lake District. I'm going to be completely honest with you, as extremely embarrassing as it is. You see, the day after my mega road trip, I was a little bit clumsier than usual. I'd stopped by the coast just north of the lakes for lunch and to play with my drone. As my drone descended, I made a grave error indeed and pressed the wrong button, sending it directly towards my head. As I jumped back, straight into my motorcycle, knocking poor Rocket over. Fortunately, nothing major. I took off a section of his new paint, as well as adding a shiny new scratch to my luggage, and, well, the screws fell out of my screen. As a precaution, I took the whole thing off and threw it in the back box, and I started driving towards the nearest Halfords in hope of repairing it immediately. However, 15 minutes away from my destination, suddenly the gravity of yesterday's trip hit me in the face. I decided to get off the road as quickly as possible and just head straight to the hotel. So I've just reached my accommodation and I'm going to be honest, I don't know if you can see how tired I am. But after yesterday, I'm like super tanking. I'm exhausted, to say the least. I was about 10 minutes away from Halfords and I was just like, I need to go to bed. But I just discovered my accommodation has a coffee shop in, so I don't know, I'm going to go check it in. I'm going to go have some food and a coffee and see how I feel. Maybe it's the case I go back out again, but I'm not doing well. This should have been like a super interesting video today because, you know, I'm in the Lake District. It's amazing. And I'm trying not to fall asleep. Anyway, I'll go check in. I'm so tired. I left my glasses on my bike. Oh my goodness. I've made it to the hotel and I've chained my bike up and I've unloaded it. And it's 4 PM. And I've been for a shower. And now I'm gonna take a nap. I'm so tired. I couldn't even muster the energy to go buy shampoo. I washed my hair with soap. It's gonna feel awful later. But I'm so tired. So tired. What day is it? Where am I? What's going on? It was only supposed to be a nap. It was only meant to be a nap. How long did I sleep? Oh my god. Look how frosty it is outside. I slept 14 hours. I think I'm a little bit behind schedule now. Let's go get some coffee. Okay, so I'm all dressed. I'm good to go. I'm very excited. I'm about to show you the weather outside. It looks awful. It looks terrible. It's the worst. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be very cold. So glad right now that I have my heated clothing. So glad. But I've decided what I'm going to do today. You're either going to love it or you're all going to be like, Saffron, you shouldn't be doing dangerous stuff and like blah, blah, blah. But, right. Take a look at the weather. Let me show you what the weather is. So, this. See that? So this would be the perfect time to do one of the most dangerous roads in the UK, right? At less than optimal weather conditions, because the roads are covered in ice. And this road is also apparently, it's one of the UK's most dangerous roads. Notorious, they call it. It's one of the most notorious roads in the UK. Because, if I'm ever going to do them, I might as well do them when it's extra difficult, because that adds to the fun, right? So that's what we're going to do today. So this is the bike currently. It's quite frosty. Everything's just covered in frost. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold. Okay. Okay, there's no rush whatsoever today. So we're just going to take it nice and easy. And guys, look at this view! Oh my god! I'm not gonna lie, it's so cold. It is so cold. Woo! Oh my god. It's literally throwing me all over the place. This is so amazing. I know I say this every time, but this might be my new favourite road. Oh, this is mad. Look at that sheep, like what's this crazy woman doing? What's she doing? Nutter. Oh, oh god damn! Whew. It's so cold! Oh my god, it's so cold! Hard Knott Pass is a single track road that goes right through the middle of the Lake District. It's extremely steep and twisty, but it's also a lot of fun. Now, the road itself has a 33% gradient and it's known as one of the most notorious roads in the UK. So, obviously, my dumb self decided to bike up it in winter. So the road does begin when you get to this small, tiny stone bridge. Obviously, if you do have a larger vehicle, you should certainly make sure you take care when crossing it. However, it is of course no issue for tiny bikes such as myself. Oh my god. Holy f***. Ah! This is really steep. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god god. Guys, this is really scary. Holy oh my god. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, I've got this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, breathe. Oh my god. Okay, breathe. Oh. Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay, Saf. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can do this. You can do this. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's just stop for a second. Okay. Let's just. Okay. 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 It's okay. It's okay. Take a breath. It's okay. You can do this. We got this. You got this. You can do it. Okay, the worst part is over. Okay? Because you're already scared. So it doesn't get much worse than this. So, okay? Okay. See, we're going down the hill now. It's all fine. Oh my gosh. That was really scary. My lungs physically hurt from the fear. Okay. Oh, okay, right. I think downhill is easier, to be honest. I'm hoping. Right. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Hang on, let's wide, okay. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh my god. Oh god, it's so icy. It's okay. Let's just get to that little stopping point. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna cry, honest. Clearly not that. Hard Knott Pass is indeed very difficult, hence the name. Okay, so I've had a bit of a rest. I've managed to calm down, and the adrenaline's gone. And do you know what? I'm going to be honest. I am feeling a little tired now. So I think it's definitely time for a coffee break and a refuel. And a rest. A nice big cup of coffee. That is definitely what I deserve right now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, what a treacherous mistress that road was. Oh, holy. Oh my God. Okay. That one is for the bucket list of the insane. Oh. Now, if you do enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, you can go ahead and click my Patreon link in the description below and buy me a cup of coffee. I could certainly do with one today because it is absolutely freezing and my toes feel like they're about to fall off. In the meantime, ride safe, stay crazy, and I'll see you next week. My name's Saffy Sprocket, signing off.
I literally had it yesterday. I don't know what I've done with it. I'm so stressed. Have I left it up a mountain? Like, I'm not going up a Hard Knott Pass again. Like, that is not happening. And I feel like it's gonna be there. I'm like really tempted to go and see.